Hi guys, and welcome to the second lesson in this module on playing cumbia music on the drum set. Today we're going to look at more detail at the tambora rhythm, so the rhythm that we played in the last lesson on the rim of the low tom and the bass drum. But today we're going to look at how we can add some left hand phrasing in the snare drum or around the toms while keeping this ostinato going. We're then going to look at three alternative tambora ostinatos, different from the one that we looked at last time, and we'll try and play this along to some cumbia loops with piano and bass. So to remind you, in case you can't remember from last lesson, the tambora is the bassiest drum in the cumbia percussion ensemble. And it's played and it's struck horizontally, so it's played horizontally, much like a marching bass drum, and you also play the drum on the shell, and that's how you get the two distinct sounds. The shell sound, which we're going to replicate with the rim of the low tom, or even the shell of the low tom if you like, and then the bass drum sound, which we're going to replicate on the bass drum. Okay, so the first ostinato that we're going to look at is the one that we did last week. So the right hand on the rim playing 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and the bass drum is just going to play beats 3 and 4 of every bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we put that together, it should sound like this.